Today, I'm going to teach you the 3 most common moves for your arms while twerking. But first, we're going to do our lunges because we always start our challenge days with something leg workout related. And this week, it has been 50 lunges at the start of each day. So do it with me. We are already at 8, so we're gonna rock this. I'm excited for this day, and I'm excited to teach you some arm moves because I feel like arm moves are underrated. No one really teaches them, but everyone looks at them. Or I always look at what other people's arms do, and especially their hands. So today I'm gonna teach you some easy moves. We're almost done with this leg. We only have 5 to go. Then we're gonna switch, and then we're ready to hop into our day. Keep going. Keep breathing. Last one. Bum. Switch. You're doing a great job. I'm proud of you for showing up. I hope you're proud of yourself as well. And like I always say, if your balance is not working with you today, then feel free to hold on to something. No shame. I'm already super happy that you showed up because that's number 1, step number 1. Keep going, keep breathing. We're at 10. Make sure that your knee's in line with your toes and that you don't go over your toes with your knee. Only 10 to go. Come on. You can do this. We're almost there. I know it burns. It does for me as well. And 5 more. Come on. Then we're done with our lunches for today. Done. Good job. Okay, today I feel like looking at myself in the mirror while doing the affirmations because yes, this is the part of our challenge day where you either look at yourself in the mirror while doing your affirmations or close your eyes if that makes you feel more comfortable. First, place your hand on your heart and your belly and breathe. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. And exhale. Now look yourself in the eye or keep your eyes closed and repeat after me. I'm gracious. I'm intelligent. And I am strong. I'm gracious. I'm intelligent. And I'm strong. I'm gracious. I'm intelligent. I'm strong. Now smile. Give yourself a hug. And come back to me. Great job. Okay, so now we have landed at the part, what we've all been waiting for, our arms. I'm gonna start off with the easy part, and then it's gonna take a little bit more coordination while we twerk. So the first move is basically your prep. So you're just chilling, you're standing there, and then you want to go down to get ready to twerk. You either can go down just like this and bum, bum, or you can make it sexy. You step out, you make sure to caress your booty, or you start at your lower back and you slide down. One big mistake that people always make when they do arms, in my opinion, is that they don't actually touch their body. Don't be afraid to actually touch your body. It's yours, you can. So when you go down, make sure to place your hands on your lower back, actually touch your lower back, and then slide them down while you go down. And then you bring them all the way to your knees. So you go down, 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 and hold it on your knees. And then you can bounce, bounce, bounce. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 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 and up, 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 up. That was our first move, our first arm move. Now we're gonna go to move number 2, which is the reversed move of our First move. So we are down. We've been doing this whole choreo. We've been showing off, and then we want to step out of it, or actually like get up and do something else. To make that more gracious and more cute, you can slide up with your arms. You can bring them all the way up and bring them down. So the trick is to also close your legs while you do this. So step out, come down, have your hands on your knees, then you slide up, 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 and bring them up and come down. We're gonna do this one more time. Make sure that your leg closes together with your arms coming up. Last time, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and slide, slide, slide. Bring them up and down. Good job. Okay, move number 3. You see a lot of people doing this while they twerk. Ba, ba, ba. Which is quite hard because you don't have a point to balance yourself on, because you can't hold your knees because your arms are up, obviously. But we're gonna try it anyway. So what you do when you come down, you can either bring them up like this and then hold on to your hands. So one hand over the other, doesn't matter which one, you can pick. And keep your arms stretched. Don't stand like this. That doesn't look cute. But also, don't bring your shoulders up. So push your shoulders down, keep your arms stretched, and twerk it out. Let's first do the arms. So you bring them up, up, up. Hold the hands, make sure your shoulders are still down, and then you stay like this until you want to bring them down however you want. You can either bring them back the same way they came, or down past your body, or past your face actually. Let's do it one more time without the twerking. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring them up, up, up. Grab, hold, 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 and down, 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 down. Now when you bring them up, make sure that your hands are dragging. I don't want to see this. We're not doing jumping jacks. I want your hands to come last, or your fingers, like you dropped something really graciously and you like pick it up. So you keep your fingers slow, and then last minute you flip them over. Let's do with going down. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, 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 and down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 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 and down. That was day 6 of our 7 days of twerk. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you back for tomorrow, our last day of this month's challenge. Bye.